Modern civilization places its faith in technology. Carbon capture. Geoengineering. Artificial intelligence. Automation at planetary scale. The assumption is simple. If the problem is large enough, technology will solve it. This assumption is flawed. Technology is not a decision-making entity. It does not possess intent. It does not understand consequences. It executes objectives defined by human values. If those values are misaligned, technology magnifies damage. Every major planetary disruption in the last 2 centuries was enabled by advanced technology. Industrial extraction. Fossil fuel combustion. Mass deforestation. Chemical agriculture. Technology did not create wisdom. It created speed. Speed without restraint destabilizes systems. Earth does not require more powerful tools. It requires better coordination of intent. A civilization capable of restoring a planet must first decide what it values more: short-term advantage or long-term stability. Technology can rebuild forests, but it can also erase them faster. Technology can regulate climate, but it can also destabilize feedback loops beyond recovery. The difference is not capability, it is governance. True restoration requires planetary-scale ethics, rules that technology must obey, boundaries it cannot cross, objectives aligned with ecological limits. Without this framework, technology becomes a multiplier of collapse. Earth will not be saved by innovation alone. It will be saved when intelligence guides innovation instead of profit, speed, or dominance. Technology is a tool, restoration is a choice, and choices precede solutions.